Hey guys, I'm Steph. I received a stereo gaming headphone by the company jeecoo. Show the box. It's going to be in front, on the side, on the other side, and some feature. Let's open it. Nothing. So that's going to be the headset. Let's put it all together with the microphone, a little bit bended, and voila, not bad, eh? If you need to extend it, not bad too. Not bad. Here you can see the brand jeecoo. Here too. On the other side. And look at that inside now. I don't know if you can see it. They roll right and they roll left. Here you have the volume and you have the mute for the microphone. Inside the leather bag, a user manual and a splitter. That's going to be one for the microphone, and the other one is for the headphone. And this is a 3.5 mil jack. And this is good for computer, laptop, old cell phone, almost everything you want. So that's the jack for the headset. The weight of this headphone is 0.66 pound, and for the price, it's not really expensive. Canadian is $30. So the way you can see it with all the pad and everything, it's really nice. The cable is really a strong cable. It's not, you can see it's not a small one. And let me show you something. Look the length of this guy. I think you're going to have enough of cable. That's going to be perfect. Now it's time to do the microphone test. Okay, this is my voice, and I hope that's going to be crispy, and I hope you can hear nothing else, only my voice, because the TV is working on the other side. And I want to show you something. This guy, yeah, the way you can see when I put the headphone on my ears, everything, the ears is inside the headset. So the cushion envelope everything my ears. So I don't have any hair trap. I cannot hear nothing else. The user manual is only in English and Chinese. I hope you like this video about those headset. Oh my lord. I hope you like this video about those headset. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to smash the button. And see you in another one.